Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the Fun Academy School online classes, and today we are going to do grade 4 subject science. Topic is living and non-living thing. Subtopic is question number 3, part 2, and it has two part 1 A and B. So today we are going to do this one. So question number 3 part 2 is answer the following questions. Question number 3 part 1 we have done in the previous class, so today we are going to do question 3 part 2 and it has two part A and B. So the A part of the second part is what are the necessary things needed by a living thing. Write any three and give reason for your answer. Okay students, they are saying you have to write three different necessities or important things that are required by living thing to survive, to live, or to grow, or to continue their life. So first one is food. Food provides energy for survival and growth. So first necessity or first important thing that is required by a living thing is food. Very much needed to grow, to have energy, and to for the survival. Means that if you want to live a life, you must need food to get energy and to do your daily course. Okay. Next one is water, help in metabolic processes and hydration. Okay student, metabolic process means all the processes जो हमारी body में continue है या body में is going on. Okay. The body actions, जो body में जो chemical actions हो रहे हैं, ये जो भी actions हो रहे हैं body के inside, that is called metabolic processes. So water is needed for metabolic processes. आपको water की ज़रूरत होती है for the metabolic processes and hydration. अगर आप पानी नहीं पीते तो आपको hydration जो है आपकी नहीं होती, आप जो है वो आपकी skin dry होना start हो जाती है. So for the hydration as well you want to have a water. Next one, air. Air has oxygen which is a gas and we use it for essential for respiration. सांस लेने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, breathing के लिए. And food respiration is a process in which food is broken down by oxygen, and breathing is a process that in which you will inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Breathing and respiration are connected. So oxygen is essential for respiration and breathing as well, which is necessary for energy production. Respiration नहीं होगी, food break नहीं होगा, तो आपको energy भी नहीं मिलेगी. So if you want to produce energy in your body, you must have food and oxygen, and this process that is called respiration, in which food is broken down by oxygen. Oxygen food को break करेगा and you will have your energy to perform the functions in your body. I hope these are the three things that are required by the living thing for the survival. Next one is why is life cycle of a living thing also known as a cycle of life. अच्छा, life cycle जो living things का है उसको हम cycle of life क्यों कहते हैं? The life cycle is called circle of life. Life cycle को हम circle of life कहते हैं. As have you remember, we have studied two different life cycles, butterfly and bean plants. So the life cycle को हम circle of life क्यों कहते हैं? Because living things are born, grow, reproduce. So living things जो हैं वो पैदा होते हैं, grow होते हैं, बड़े होते हैं. पहले वो baby होते हैं, फिर adult होते हैं और फिर next one and reproduce, अपने जैसे ही produce करते हैं and eventually die, और फिर at the end वो die हो जाते हैं, मर जाते हैं, and their offspring continue the cycle, maintaining the balance of nature. और फिर जो उनके ऑफस्प्रिंग्स होते हैं, मतलब कि उनकी जो औलाद होती है वो उसी साइकिल को कंटिन्यू करती है, और नेचर का जो बैलेंस है कि लिविंग थिंग्स भी हैं, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स भी हैं, ह्यूमन है, एनिमल्स हैं, तो वो पूरा बैलेंस है वो मेंटेन होता है. सो वी हैव डन टू डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस. Question number 3 part 2 has two part A and B. So we have done this one. I hope you understood it and revise it, learn it, and do your homework as well. Thank you very much for the day. Allah Hafiz.